dividing numbers by 11. Division of number by 11. Division of any number by 11. Actually, I'll first do dividing by numbers that are multiple of 11. There is number that 11 can easily divide. That 11 is a factor of such numbers. Of course, let's do easy one first. How are you about to see someone give you 99 divided by 11? Oh my God, this is as easy as it looks. Well, in the first place, if you've not checked out my video, we made a video and I want to know if you give you any number and then you want to know if the number is divisible by 11. For a number to be divisible by 11, just add the digits in the odd place, add it, digits in the even place, add it, then subtract them. If you get either a 0 or a multiple of 11, meaning that that number itself is divisible by 11. Okay, now let me play this game here. I want to assume 99, I don't know anything about it. I just pick 99 as a random boy, as a normal number. And then because I'm a baby, I don't know much. I want to make 99 is divisible by 11. I will also okay. First, the first thing is that when 9 is in the odd place here, the other 9 is in the even place. So 9 minus 9 is 0. So definitely it is divisible by 11. Now let me give another example that will not be divisible by 11. Let me say I pick a 97. 9 is in the odd place, 7 is in the even place. Odd place, I mean this is in the first position, this is in the second position. So 9 minus 7 is a 2. It's not divisible by 11. You can actually go share the video, the link will be in the Bible, on how to know if, in the description, on how to know if a number is actually divisible by 11. That's just to know the rule for divisibility by 11. But if I now know how do I then divide, that's what this video is for. So now to now divide this number, we say 99 divided by 9. Of course, this is just repetition of 9. This number is the same as 9 times 11 divided by 9. Now just 9. Moreover, what you know already we said in the multiplication that it is repetition, it is 2-digit number. So if the digit repeats, just pick one of them. If it repeats, if somebody give me 33 divided by 11, it repeats. I'll just pick 1, 3. This 77 divided by 11, it repeats, bro. And what is the number that repeats itself? That is a 7. Now, how about to give you something more beautiful? We give you something like, let's say, 132. And then because I'm a small boy, I don't know anything about it. I want to divide this by 11. Now, the rule is this: bring down the first number, and then subtract this from the next number. So 3 minus 1, that's a 2. And then 2, the 2 here minus 2, that's a 0. We get a 0, the 0 we get here, that's like the remainder. You getting a remainder of 0, you getting a final number here to be 0, meaning that that number is actually a multiple of 11. If it is not a multiple of 11, you get the remainder. That should be another number. So since the remainder is 2, I'll just tell you the answer is what? Is 12. That is 132 divided by 11 is actually 2. The example looks a little bit rusty and not too cool. Okay, how about we do a 198? 198. Bring the 1 down. We are divided by 11. 198 divided by 11. Bring the 1 down. 1. And then 9 minus 1. Not minus 1, minus 1. 9 minus 1. That's an 8. 8 minus 8, 0. We get 0 to show that actually 198 is a multiple of 11. The result is what? 18. So that is 198 divided by 11 is what? 18. That's actually easy without edges. How about 275? 275. Bring the 2 down. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. That's to show it is a factor. Again, the number is what? 25. Are we together? How about to do 352? 352. 352. Now bring the number down. 3. 5 minus 3. 2. 2 minus 2. That is what? That is a 0. So meaning that 532 divided by 11 is actually 32. And that's easy and simple. How about you want to go to some big 4-digit number? You have some number like, how about you have 5137 divided by 11? First write the first number, 5. Now, but there's a little issue. 5 cannot be exactly divided by, sorry, 1 minus 5 is not possible because we said it is the number of minus there. So if 5 minus 1 is not possible, relax. Let's say so it cannot divide into this, never can go. So what you do is that you borrow 1 from this number that remains 4, add it to this number, but the one you borrow will automatically make this number 11. The one you borrow from here automatically makes the number 11. Just like when you're doing normal subtraction and then it is not possible, you borrow 1 from the source, it automatically assumes 10 because you're working in base 10. So the one I borrow from there automatically becomes 11. I will now say 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4, that's the 7. And again, 3 minus 7 is still not possible. So what I will say, I will borrow 1 from this one is 6, and then this becomes what? 13. So 13 minus 6 is what? A 7. Finally, 7 minus 7 is a 0, meaning that 5137 is actually a multiple of 11. And when you divide 5137 by 11, you are getting 467. 467. I'm about to try other ones too. I have 1, 4, 5, 2. 1, 4, 5, 2. You know the rule again. Don't forget to bring this one down. And then you say 4 minus this. This can actually go. This number is greater than this one. 4 minus 1 is a 3. 5 minus this, it will go because this is greater than this. 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Now, definitely 1 for 5 to divided by 11 is 132. Easily. How about to try 8, 1, 5, 7, 8, 5. 1, 5, 7, 8, 5. You want to see how easy it is. 1, 5, 7, 8, 5. First thing, don't forget, bring the first digit down. 5 minus 1, that's a 4. 7 minus 4, that's what? A 3. 8 minus 3, that's a 5. 5 minus 5, that's a 0. Meaning that 15,785 divided by 11 is what? 1,435. It's as easy as that. I don't need to worry myself, The number looks big, but then actually to divide it is as cool itself can be. Now let's pick one other big number. Somebody said 6-digit number. Let's pick a big number, divide it, and see what it gets. Now we have another one. We have 502 6758. This is like 5,026,758 divided by 11. After this, we give you questions to solve yourself. You try to solve, and then you know. Now, bring the 5 down, and then we'll say 0 minus 5. Somebody is saying it's not possible. Let me drop the 5 up here. 0 minus 5 is not possible. It's not possible. Don't forget, you borrow 1 from here. This will be 4. Take the 1 here, that assumes 10. 10 minus the 4, that's a 6. 10 minus the 4, you have a 6. The remaining number you subtract. 10 minus the 4, that's a 6. Now, it's okay. 2 minus 6, again, not possible. Borrow 1 from here. This will now be 5. Drop the 1 here. That's the 12. We say 12 minus 5, that's a 7. 12 minus 5, that's a 7. 6 minus 7, again not possible. So 6 minus 7 is not possible. So what you do is that you borrow 1 from here, this one becomes 6. Drop the 1 here, that's 16. Now, 16 minus 6, that's a 10. 16 minus 6, that's a 10. All together here, 7 minus 10 again, not possible. 7 minus 10, I did not say 10 minus 7. 7 minus 10 is not possible. Borrow 1 from here, that makes it a 9. Drop the 1 here, that makes it 17. So now, 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9, that is an 8. 17 minus 9, that's an 8. That's actually 8 here. 5 minus 8, again not possible. 5 minus 8, let me write the 8 up here. 5 minus 8, not possible. So borrow 1 from 8, you are left with 7. So I will now say the one you borrow, drop it here. 15 minus 7, that is what? And 8. And 8 minus 8, 0. That is to show that this number, as big as it is actually a multiple of 11. And the 8 here, since I actually dropped it here, just to check if there's still another one we need to borrow, we need to borrow, we need to borrow. Just to make it clear. Since there's nothing we want to borrow now, we can drop the 8 here. Meaning that 5,026,758 divided by 11 is actually what? 456,978. This is actually a cool trick. But when you divide any number, once the number is divisible by 11, you don't need to be doing all this normal thing you do there. Let me think, divided by 10, can 2 go, can 3 go. You don't need to do that. Just do this cool and calm trick, and then it will be very easy. But somebody is thinking, what if the number is not divisible by 11? And once you divide it, once you get to the last result here, that will be the remainder it will drop. Instead of it getting 0, you'll be getting other digits. The remainder it can be 3, but the digit can never be up to 11. So once you divide it and the last thing you drop here, instead of it getting 0, you notice all along we'll be getting 0, 0, 0. So if you are not going to get 0, you'll try to get another number other than 0. I believe this is very cool. For practice question, we are going to draw, and I believe with this video, dividing any number by 11 and the subsequent video should be very easy. Thank you very much. Do ensure, at least for other content, because we have a lot of trick in mind for you guys, that will make mathematics very, very easy. You don't have to do mathematics the tough way. Just come, learn, via the link, create mind tutorial. You have a lot of things to learn there, and maths become a companion, not an enemy. Thank you very much. God bless you. Like the video, subscribe if you not, and actually turn on the notification button because we have a lot of things for you. You cannot wait to have it. I believe you can wait to have it. You can't wait to bring out the mathematician and the genius in you, and that is where we are. Thank you very much. God bless you.